Have you ever wanted to find a picture on Google, but no matter how you searched it up, you could never find it? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create any sort of image using AI. To start, you want to search up DALL E2 and open this website, which is right here. From there on, we're going to press on sign up. And I'm going to log in because I already have an account. From there, I'm going to enter my password. And now, as you can see, we are presented onto this page. Here are some examples. 3D render of a cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background. And this is what it made. So, you basically write what's on your mind, what you're imagining, and it will create it for you. So let's do Michael Jordan dunking a basketball in the Milky Way galaxy. Kind of like this, but I don't want this. Wait, I'm actually gonna make it dunking a basketball in space while a nebula floats behind him. And if we do wait, this will be created. So meanwhile you wait, it's going to be showing you some things over here, and you can kind of get an idea on how to describe these photos. So a bowl of soup that looks like a monster knitted out of wool. And this is what it came up with. So as you can see with this, it has come up with this photo, which I think this one looks great. So you can save this photo and use it. This one example. Another example could be a banana that has legs and arms holding a sword in front of a king. Very random, but it will create it because that is the power AI has in today's world. So as you can see, this is actually a cool one. Abstract pencil and watercolor art of a lonely robot holding a balloon. Or this one. It's like that pearl drawing by Johannes Vermeer, but a sea otter instead. So our photo should be loaded any moment, and this is exactly what I envisioned. Well, not this exactly, but what I did envision was a banana holding a sword, fight a king. But I think this one looks really cool, actually. So from here on, if you like this, you can press on variation. For us, this isn't exactly our description, so we're going to press on this and press on variation. And it's going to create varieties of that photo. That way you can choose the best one you like from the same type of photo. So if we give it a moment to load, I'll show you exactly what I mean. And none of these were exactly what I was looking for. Because I don't think the AI understood me correctly. So let's reword this. A banana that has human-like features holding a sword. There is a king standing in front of him. And I think this will reword it much better. Okay, so it is about to load. And honestly, once again, none of these fit, but I would have to say this and this one were the best one. I like this one. So we're going to press on variations. and it is about to load, but it is taking quite a while. There we go. And once again, it has switched the roles. So the original was honestly, this is perfect in my opinion. But there you have it. That's how you can make any photo you envisioned in your mind through AI. So if you're ever looking for a photo for a presentation in Google and cannot seem to find it, you know exactly where to come to. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.